so fast. Why he makes it drip?
Well, he's getting old. that would be gone before that. Oh, he's getting a little old.
What's making him
Kind of
drip?
slurps his food. Here, see? See? I don't think they digest it, but they do.
Raining.
Yes, it is. It's raining. We got monster trucks inside.
Dolly, where's the doggy?
We can play inside with monster trucks.
No, on television, monster trucks. Mike has monster trucks.
Whoa.
Oh, look, monster trucks. Come
Right,
on,
I see
follow
him.
me, guys.
Okay. Hey Thomas, can you say thanks to Pop Pop for letting you help him?
See you, buddy.
All
Like
right.
that attic. Look at this guy.
Them out.
Huh?
Them out.
Mo's out. He's eating his dinner.
It's all gone.